Banwa, a Badwam Ahosepe, Jumezidu Inye, na Izino the Fantidon, president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. And the pay surprise be pa mania. I'm surprised the move on pay on to us. I have a very good surprise. I'm not allowed to say it. Then come catch you. That's no. Yatla see you say that I had days in there as favorite personality no, and yes bro. Into no and the pay. Minchia or so for paying. And urban gospel, contemporary gospel, and yom chrome had there. I was market send a papa the mara and so na minim do tron in Jomonso. Into no Jumano say, was Muzans and or Easter crown or events can see pa or yen Easter, into no or had no na ye what you treat the munkomono inara. Ma guess a sofo nanaya watch it. That Dodonala, what friend MOG, man of God. MOG. MOG, good morning.
No more, where would you?
Good morning,
Good morning, dear.
Yeah.
I'm Adom Ahosepe.
Yeah, Adom.
Nice.
Come on, you walk on talk about one fat.
One pick.
And as an abram, some the nicest surprise. It's must have been a committee. Welcome to. That's so. It's not easy about you. Come on, send me the Easter. What you may say the wine, new wine. Last year on some kakraba also when you want so catch it. Now this year so say me assure them over them be prepare be nice am hen. It's about to trade the mon common. Now so no before I mean bisa there events them idea put there you pay me a gospel event offering him for me.
Thank you very much. The idea of doing events, you know, I checked the media mahin, the young Yaminejuma. Into one of the places you to me, I explore or exhibit the gift of the media mahin is in the place of having an event where Kofu Babatinase, no, I share, I checked the media mahin. Na year, no, I share my own. Also, I want you about Jinu, also, I my own page or my own page. You know, so basically, that's the idea. The events, you know, to exhibit a chedi and a media main, double share my own obeba, and then baby, so by the grace of God, you know, with technology, you to me record. So one of which me actually later online, I don't know, it can be a blessing to them. So that's the whole idea of doing the events. Okay, into
the way I cannot know, Pedemi would intend no one obviously with him there or say there share ways and means to be as a broadcast, me and I'd like how did that idea come?
I mean, until them, I checked on them, no, acquired the customer friendly talent. Into our there, EDABB, no swaba.
Okay.
Na Yakopon, you just did Yakopon bar. We saw that checked them with the man about in the year. No profit, no fast, no far away. It's only to be the chair. So basically, I checked them with the man, no good one the year. Send I put me a swaba. I share, say, by the grace of God, in Jumaya project over the years. I share my coffee will be near Ghana cotton, 1 hour butching and dinner. Why share my own? Only a fruit nibia. Ufi achedi ni mwanya mede mayente akoye de yen the mari na bet na ho de man na ya to yen de ma kan de yen du be yedu so that's basically ade yen.
Okay. Into no yen share new wine isn't it free here for me
ofi bible ni
into na maybe so there idea no free here for me because well maybe an it's one or drop or spirit. Me pede there's here come because maybe no be idea or person or pedo events or pedo a gospel event but on him what direction him for no far what to do into no for yen from kakra.
So about the gospel event first of all I would the burden be about the idea na media shemede mi and you therefore one cast open and one cast out quite the me be na me popular na million fans million followers in the gospel space no for me I believe that we don't have anything like followers and fans.
Okay.
We have disciples. Yet show through the music and through the word. And you know, all them it makes you are raising a generation out of the gift and the media amount. And first of all, in your bed na ekonya minenim na kwakono ma bed no ekonye ni me paibom na ebisa no ada them bedding edibeye. Through prayer no he will show you what to do on our better. Either there you hear a discerning voice talking to you, another abe funny pado wa catch you there day na or there, and then you will get a name for whatever you want to do the program by reading the word and you know meditating. An identity for what happened there, and through that identity, it starts to build that. Then me Jesus Christ before starting the ministration, after praying and fasting, the first thing he did was to get disciples all but one. Now boafo.
Okay.
So me ya boafo amount. What be can only to me a program na pe there no. To me a shira. When you no kwando amanyame number. Yeah.
Okay. Into no I me the pa already dey na fa stages ni nyina.
That's right.
Into no say obi pedo your gospel event that's the first of all no. Onye da wo pe especially an pa na so me peda me event.
That's right.
So no ye bibia yankopon za to akomodo.
That's right.
See oye bibia da ihu o tetel.
That's right.
That's there ye.
That's there.
Ansana sister. Me pero ho. Onye easy one event.
Onye easy. It takes a lot. On the phone. Papi want us to say, on your man from the wala from we be gwen. Them now cause nyame
from. No wala from
a big gwen.
A bugwan. Because a jumano.
Also. Yeah, also. Also, it takes a lot from you.
Okay. What's the biggest because the jumano aje from Muslim?
In terms of money.
No, in terms to America, the Yakupon am from whatever from one because Yakupon from one meaning there you may be brave on mostly Ija to ho.
Yeah.
And there when you may be brave so all the sacrifice.
Yeah.
It's not maybe some question there. Abazi what's that one thing Ebeka there Yakupon from one. Ija it was huge.
I'll say obviously after university I'm caught into the corporate world.
Okay, it's study about
me computer science.
Okay.
Me too corporate world because I really wanted to work in the corporate world. And as at the time I knew computer science now. The programs I did, I did Cisco engineering. Those who know it, it's a very big thing. I did network engineering. I was a computer programmer at the time. So, not mean saying you want to meet me, but the burden of the ministry, pushed me into obscurity. Then I had to do, feed that hunger, and then do the things that was demanded of me. Before I meet me, Enya, I home I made it. I made Juma, myself for some part of the IT, on a side to work with.
Okay. So the back of the who in Swadu what a dream there Kebe Juma corporate world. Only one thing no sacrifice.
Yeah.
Okay. Matter things no my share who team. One man you want to Juma one mobile instrument na the backing vocalist na the hey what's the name who puts the microphone together?
For me the best way the man there you start your information to about you pay BBD na the boa program no.
Okay.
It's a hot them no e benya nkofo obeba on board. Oh me pay them people are once war them bed in there. They want to sing with you or they like singing. Into open oboa. And now we back at the minimum system and me brother be otundum. Into me pay them the neighbor no obeka. Then through that the information goes out and you get people like-minded that were on board.
Okay.
Now we support vision and vision with me now.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Into I had the mini first events in New Wine.
The first ever event I did or friend worship in his presence, me or Tama. Yeah, the budget for the whole program was 500 Ghana cedis.
500 cities no dey you about that.
Oh, you need to video, you need to light, and you need to sound. And I need to band or babo mamin or the two of them the mommy free. And I need to hear refreshments.
Okay.
Me to meat pie na drink. Me the mama guest.
Okay. To meat pie. Okay, we guess. I'm always gonna be. Lori fair be. This is I'm going to get from when I'm this car.
Oh, your men Adom say, when you confirm you buma ye the major. It says a baby and the Adom PG so what at least more with me that of fool no with me the coffee every day.
A back at the city away now. Ebia away we event stars no Bible support to me and artists no Bible support to me now. What about Lori fair pedagogy? Don't get there be too much charge with there be and penam amounts.
It depends on the relationship and in the back on the wall.
Okay.
Every time I feel be in relationship, I do Magic Day. Remember our program Magic Day. Say here but for me, I believe more on the I lean more on the relationship side. You know, because I believe the relationship look will change more than I am putting a fee on what I want to do. No, my budget kind of want change.
Okay.
So I rely on the more the relationships. That one of our platform we are you want a minimum relationship.
Okay. Into first event 500 cedis. Second event 1,000.
I don't even care. My first one didn't care because it was a maiden one.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Now, actually, how that particular event, occurred?
It was very powerful. Papa.
Events that scale.
Oh yeah.
Sunday.
Sunday because I was fulfilled.
Okay.
My first ever worship night, worship in His presence. I was very fulfilled. Next time, any Facebook, any Instagram, na them one. It's here humble. Sini ako church to church. We church to church. Yeah, the banners bobo crew na day. That is how you nyako for bar program no betina sina or ye shirama one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Into the new wine. First one here, abaye.
Worship in His presence. That was
Make new wine. First.
New wine. The first one was 2012.
Hey.
Yeah.
Wow. Minimum do. It's a year 20 of Nijai. It's to another aya. Wow.
Yeah.
Into the first one, how directed?
First one, I think my chapel phone.
Oh, okay.
Then na be join Royal House. Into first one no album launch actually. Into ono na wo father yedinya the name New Wine for the first album.
Okay.
Oh yeah, every festive event every year.
Every year. Okay. What is the Ike directing?
Ike came on 2013. The next year.
The following year.
2013, 2014, 2015. Na Ike of picking it up.
Okay.
On
because you're attacker.
Already. He's a founder of New Wine.
Okay, into this year, last year more year. This year, right. Abas no new or New Wine.
This year, Nyamena do New Wine. I call it the intense moment, where you become very deep into worship and very deep into the word. You know, na ya bompai sukaka. Most of the times, you call gospel programs music programs akwaya nyum to bibri ayana okado yati where no chapel dem ya bompai dem ade e beto nyum kote. But over the years you know the anytime believers will share no awoda nyamena sem no odedi or dem pai boka krakom na ode ye worship them are three elements what they do any fellowship mo nyameni tumi na honin san.
Okay.
This year, you be a very intense worship, you know, and the word and prayer. You have to program. The theme for the program this year is back to the basics.
Back to the basics.
Back to the basics.
Okay.
And the man kitchen as a Christopher no obwayen. The early stages, quiet time, you to about evangelism, worship, you know, those times you to me gather with you asking here to you have to worship songs now. You to me yet not saying because of a human identity, you want to create that moment, you know, for that night, you know. So it's going to be an intense time of worship. Into an atmosphere between express in worship and praise I recommend that this year's new one. Any day you move to me, but na eba nebe ye nyame kese wo.
Wow. Into no yen Obokodo Royal House wow.
Yeah, there be this year they call First Love Center.
First Love Center.
On East Legon, First Love Church. A lighthouse for Bishop Duck, the chapel East Legon area on. Yeah.
Okay. Into no dates no yen she.
Nyame Adom so yeah crowd Kumasi for by the grace of God, yeah, on the 16th of March, Bantima Church of Pentecost. On the 16th of March. Now, yeah, Bakra says so, yeah, on the 30th of March, First Love Church, close to the Trinity Theological Seminary. And on your day to my Irakwankra, Name Adoma, 30th March and 16th March, Kumasi and Accra. Name Mumbai Hona, Yanfosor Kesemanya, Yakopo.
No one samarin MOG and Yana the pay I actually in common court like a key inshira because they're back to the basis natural movement.
That's right.
Stronger than appetite.
That's
one co join. Na bibiara enye come on that's the part they come home and man pay years on common no ebro cafe ban no afom da hona se bebre nyame hye hon. Na one more studio honum nay. If we have the surprise no Meziba bro no hono. We say no was sorry reason no the fancy the president for the brothers and Sisters Association. Man of God, Yamisha.
Thank you very much.
We want to so I will you know so no macro one.